Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a private story on Snapchat. We start by opening Snapchat and clicking on our avatar. Next, within Add to My Story, we will see the option of a new private story and click on it. Now we select the contacts with whom we want to share this story and click on Create Story. We give a name and click on Save. After that, we will see that the private story section has been created. Now you just have to click on the Add to option, so you can add the content you want to that private story. Finally, we click on the bottom icon to add the content, and we will have our private story sent. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.